Today we're swapping out the halogen bulbs inside this GX460's interior with all new LEDs. Let's go. All right, the GX460 behind me is a 2020. It blows me away that it came with halogen bulbs, but whatever. We're gonna swap out LEDs. They look better, last longer, way brighter, and makes it easier to find things inside the vehicle and even outside because we're doing the running board lights as well too. It's a no-brainer mod, so don't have to overthink this one. Let's just jump right in. The bag here in the middle came in the kit with the instructions. We're using some trim removal tools that we already had and some pliers to help us with this install today. Okay, so we're down at the running board here. You can see here there's a light in the lens bulb. It's a tough area to film, but essentially to get access to the bulb, you're going to twist the bulb housing at the top here and pull up towards the vehicle. There it is, and that'll grant you access, make it easy to swap the bulb. Alright, new bulb is in. Alright, transitioning to the lower door. In this case, this is the driver's side. And the driver's side rear door is done. All right, moving on to the dome light now. I'm taking our trim tool and working it around the edges. All of the bulbs just twist right out. Much better. All right, to put this back in, go ahead and just hook it back on the edge there and then press towards the rear or front. All right, moving on to the vanity mirrors. Moving on to the rear dome now. Pop off the lens. Using those tabs, you're able to release the whole housing. Okay, using a trim removal tool, we're prying while pressing the tabs. And by doing that, you get nice access to the bulb. And now, clip everything back in. Press the housing back in. Reattach the lens. And check your bolts. Moving on to the third row dome. Remove the bulbs. And now clip everything back in. Just like that, all done with the dome. All right, this GX460 is 2020. It blows me away that the interior bulbs were all halogen still, but it's just the way it goes. So we went ahead and swapped everything out. We've got the running boards done, all the doors, the dome lights all the way through the third row. We've got the vanity lights done. So all in all, super easy to do. Happy with how it came out. Such a cheap mod, it's a no-brainer. But hopefully you learned something, and thanks for watching.
Run it up.